Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp message on cash-free payment using AiSensy. So I'm running an online store and I'm using Cashfree as my payment gateway. Now what I want is that whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment through Cashfree, that automatically I want to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp to my customer. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use AiSensy, and for doing this automatically, I'm going to build a simple connection between Cashfree and AiSensy. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment through Cashfree, then automatically I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp by using AiSensy. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp message on cash-free payments using AiSensy. So as an online store owner, I want to send automatic WhatsApp message to my customers whenever they make a payment for an order. So by using this integration between cash-free payments and AiSensy, I can send instant payment confirmation and shopping updates. And this will be keeping my customer in the loop and reducing the need for them to reach out for status updates. This will improve customer satisfaction and reduces support queries. So here what I want to do is I want to connect Cashfree with AiSensy in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment or a new successful payment through Cashfree, then automatically I want to send a WhatsApp message by using AiSensy to my customer. So here all this is going to happen automatically just by setting up an automation between Cashfree and AiSensy, and for setting up this automation I need to use Pabbly Connect. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection and this automation between Cashfree and AiSensy without any coding and programming skills. And here, just for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message on cash-free payment using AiSensy. Now here I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I'm going to find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And in this, I'm going to use this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to click on create. And here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Cashfree. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Cashfree here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and payments is going to be my trigger event, and this is going to trigger when a payment event happens. It may be a successful payment, failed payment, or a dropped payment. So I'm going to select payments here. And now I need to connect Cashfree with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Cashfree and Pabbly Connect, and for connecting these two applications I need to follow all these instructions. So first I need to copy this webhook URL, and now with the help of this webhook URL, I'm going to get all the details of my payment that I'm going to receive through Cashfree here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you to Cashfree. Now here I need to go to developers section, And here in developer section, we can see I have this payment gateway option. Now here I'm going to open this webhooks option. And here in webhooks, I have these three options of payment gateway, payment link, and payment form. So I'm going to open payment form here. And now here, I'm going to get my payments through payment forms. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my webhook inside payment forms so that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment from my payment forms through Cashfree, then automatically I'm going to get that response in Pabbly Connect. So here for adding my webhook, I need to click on this add webhook endpoint button. And here I need to first give my webhook URL. So here I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I have pasted that webhook URL and now I'm going to click on test and add. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully sent the test data to Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on add. And here I have successfully added my webhook. Now that as I have added my webhook, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this test data. So this is a test data of my payment that I have received through Cashfree. And this is a confirmation response that I have successfully added my webhook in Cashfree. So this is the test data and here I have received all these details. So this is just a test data. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on recapture webhook response button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to create a new payment. And as I will create a new payment through my payment form in Cashfree, then automatically I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open a new payment form of Cashfree. So I'm going to open that in a new tab. And here this is my Cashfree payment form. So here I have to make the payment of 499 rupees and here I have to fill all these details of my customer. So here first I'm going to give the name. So my name is going to be demo user. Email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to give a random phone number or a random WhatsApp number of my customer. So here this is going to be the WhatsApp number of my customer and on this particular number, I'm going to send the WhatsApp message. Now I'm going to click on pay. And here I have to make the payment. So I'm going to select my payment option as card. And here I have all these test card numbers. So as I'm making a test payment, so I can use any test card here. So I'm going to use this particular test card. And now here it has filled all the test card details. Now I'm going to click on proceed to pay. And here I have to give a OTP. So I'm going to type the random OTP. And here we can see I have successfully created this payment. So this is a test payment and here I've created this new payment in Cashfree by using my Cashfree payment form. Now that as I've successfully created this payment, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my payment that I've just created by using my payment form in Cashfree and automatically I've received all the detail of that payment here in Pabbly Connect. So here I have all these details like I have my order status that is paid, I have my order amount that is 499 rupees, I have my customer phone number, I have the name of my customer that is demo user, I have the email that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. Also here I have my form currency that is Indian rupees, I have my form ID and also I have my order ID. So here we can see I have received all these details of my payment that I've just made through my Cashfree account. And now as this is a successful payment, I can send a WhatsApp message automatically to my customer for their successful payment through Cashfree. Now before sending the WhatsApp message, what I want is that I only want to send the WhatsApp messages to my customer for the successful payments. But here in this trigger response, I'm going to receive the payment details of every payment which are going to be successful, failed or dropped. So here for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter out my successful payments, and as I'm only going to receive Cashfree successful payments, then only I'm going to send WhatsApp message to my customer by using AiSensy. So here for filtering out, I need to set up my actions tab, and here I need to use filter by Pabbly. So I'm going to select that. And now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and filter values is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect filter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And now here I have to set up my condition or my filter. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use order status, and if from my order status, if I'm receiving my status of paid, then it will mean that I am receiving the successful payment. So I'm going to use my order status as my label and I'm going to give the value of paid. So this condition will filter out all my successful payments from Cashfree, and whenever I'm going to receive a successful payment through Cashfree, then only I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to my customer. So here for that, I need to first select my label. So I need to open this tab. I need to open this response of Cashfree. And here in Cashfree, I have this particular label of order status. So I need to select that. And now I have to give my filter type. So I'm going to keep my filter type as equal to. And now I need to give my value. So I'm going to give my value as paid. And now I have filled all the required details. Now this is going to be my condition that whenever I'm going to receive an order status as paid, then it will mean that my condition is true and I'm receiving a successful payment. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see my condition is true. And as my condition is true, so this means that I'm receiving a successful payment. Now that as I'm receiving a successful payment through Cashfree, now what I want to do is I want to automatically send a WhatsApp message to my customer for their payment that they have just made through Cashfree. So for sending the message on WhatsApp to my customer, I need to add one more Actions tab. And here in my Actions tab, I need to use AiSensy. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select WhatsApp by AiSensy here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send template message is going to be my action event. Now I'm going to connect AiSensy with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on Connect. I'm going to click on Add New Connection. And here for connecting AiSensy with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a API key. So how I'm going to get this API key? For that, I need to go to my AiSensy account. And in AiSensy, I'm going to get this API key. And as I'm going to get that API key, I need to add that here in this tab. So for generating this API key, I'm going to take you back to AiSensy. And in my AiSensy account, I'm on this manage section. And in manage section, I have this particular option of API key. So I'm going to open that. And here in this API key option, we can see I have this particular tab of API key. And this is my generated API key. Now I'm going to regenerate this key. So I'm going to click here on this regenerate key button. I'm going to click on confirm. And here it has generated this new API key. Now I'm going to copy this key. I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab. Now that I have added my API key, I'm going to click on Save. And here I have successfully connected AiSensy with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the WhatsApp message to my customer, I need to fill all these details. And before that, I need to first create a new campaign in my AiSensy account. And for that campaign, I need a particular template that I want to use for sending the messages on WhatsApp to my customer. So for this, let me take you to AiSensy. And here first I need a template message. So I'm going to take you to template message. And here I'm going to go to all. And in this, we can see I have all these templates in my AiSensy account. And I can use any particular template here for creating a campaign and for sending the messages to my customer. So if you don't have any template in your AiSensy account, then for creating a new template, you need to click on this new button and you need to follow all the instructions accordingly. And after following the instruction, you need to customize the message that you want to use for sending the messages on WhatsApp to your customer. And after customizing the message, you need to take the approval of your template by AiSensy. So after taking the approval, you will see your template like this and you will have this approved status of your templates. So here I've created this template of cash-free payment that I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you this template. And here this is my template. And in this, I have these three variables of customer name, amount, and the order ID. So here I'm going to use this particular template for sending the messages on WhatsApp to my customer. And I need to use this template in my campaign. So I'm going to close this window. And for creating a new campaign, I'm going to first take you to campaigns. And here in campaigns, I need to create a new campaign. So I'm going to click on this launch button. I'm going to click on API campaigns. And here first I have to give a campaign name and the template. So my campaign name here is going to be cash-free payments. Now I need to give my template. So I need to search for my template. So my template name is cash-free payment. So I'm going to search for that. And here this is my template. So I'm going to select that. And now here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to first make my template live. So I'm going to click on this set live button. And now I'm going to take you to my campaign. So here I have successfully created this new live campaign that is named as cash-free payments. And I'm going to use this particular campaign for sending the messages on WhatsApp to my customer. Now for this, let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here first I have to give my campaign name. So I'm going to add my campaign name here, that is cash-free payments. And I have added my campaign name, so I have to give the mobile number. So here in the mobile number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response of cash-free. And from my response of cash-free, I'm going to get the phone number or the WhatsApp number of my customer. to whom I want to send my WhatsApp message or my cash-free payment message. So here I'm going to use my response of cash-free and I'm going to map that detail here in this tab. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of cash-free, and here this is my customer phone number, so I'm going to map this. And now with this phone number I also need the country code. So I'm going to add the country code before this phone number, so I'm going to type +91 before this number. And now my mobile number is completed. Now similarly I'm going to map the username, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of cash-free, and here this is my customer name, so this is going to be my username, so I'm going to map that. And now I have all these other tabs, and in this I'm going to fill the template parameter. So here in this tab of template parameter, I need to give the value of variables that I have in my template, and in my template I had 3 variables, that is of customer name, amount and order ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the detail of my variable here by giving a comma. So my first variable is of customer name, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to open the response of cash-free and I'm going to map my customer name. Now I'm going to give a comma, and my second variable is of amount, so I'm going to map the amount here. I'm going to again give a comma, and my third variable is of my order ID. So this is my order transaction ID, so I'm going to map that. And now I have filled all the required details. So here these are my template parameters, and these are the values of my variables that I had in my template. Now that I have filled all these details, and I have all these other tabs too, but these are not the required details, and I'm also not receiving these details from my response of cash-free. So I'm not going to fill these details. I'm just going to leave these tabs blank, and here I have successfully mapped the required details. Now that as I have mapped these details, I made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new response of payment through cash-free, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new payment detail or the new customer detail in the real time. And with every new successful payment that I'm going to receive through cash-free, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to that particular customer. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to click on Save and Send Test With button. So I'm going to do that. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my customer on WhatsApp. And here I have sent this message to my customer who has made the successful payment in cash-free. So to check whether I have received this message on WhatsApp or not, let me open WhatsApp. Now here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this message. And here this is my message that says, "Hi demo user, thank you for your payment of $4.99 via cash-free. We have successfully received your payment and this is your order ID and it is now confirmed. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at this number. Thank you for choosing Pabbly. Best regards, Team Pabbly." So here we can see that this is my template message that I have used in my campaign, and automatically by using that campaign, I have sent this message to my customer for making the successful payment through cash-free. So here we can see that as my customer made a successful payment through cash-free, I have automatically sent a message on WhatsApp to that customer by using AiSensy. So here I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between cash-free and AiSensy, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment through cash-free, then automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect, it will send a message on WhatsApp to my customer by using AiSensy. So here I have done this automatically simply by using Pabbly Connect and by setting up this automation and this connection between Cashfree and AiSensy. Now with this automation, I can automatically send automated WhatsApp messages to my customer on Cashfree payments. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Cashfree and WhatsApp by AiSensy to automatically send automated WhatsApp message on Cashfree payments using AiSensy. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Cashfree and my trigger event was payments. Then I have set up my actions tab, and first I have used filter by Pabbly for filtering out my condition that I only want to use successful payments through Cashfree. And after setting up my filter, I have used my last actions tab as WhatsApp by AiSensy, and here my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.